Hey, how's it going? So we're right before Black Hat and DEF CON as I'm getting ready to go and getting stuff together for that. Um, it's been a while since I've done the Binary Ninja Budo videos. I am not stopping on these. It is a slow progression, but a progression nonetheless. Anyway, as you all may have been made aware by other videos I've mentioned or comments on Twitter, I have been working towards my OSCP retake in a few months. So in the meantime, I've been learning things like buffer overflows. And one thing I thought was I don't want to just do the steps to do the buffer overflow or just read up on doing the steps to doing one. I wanted to get a better understanding of one or how it works in terms of code, and then specifically through the lens of Binary Ninja, I wanted to see what something like Vuln server it looks like in Binary Ninja Budo. So one thing I'm going to do in the next few lessons, or next few videos I do related to the Benja series, is we're going to focus specifically on Vuln server, and no matter what we do with the extensions, we're just going to play around and have some fun, and eventually like either patch it, do whatever, but it'll all be through the lens of Binary Ninja Budo or Binary Ninja. So a few things I've got open are Vuln server, the C code for it, and we'll look through that. But this is the executable itself that's in Binary Ninja. And I may switch back and forth between running this on OS X and Windows, specifically because of I'm already running OS X on my host box, but aside from Vuln server running on the guest box, I also want to see the experiences like running Binary Ninja on a Windows system versus OS X, whether it be dealing with the extensions, because I've things like Benja Sensei or Benjatron. I've had some challenges with this setting up on OS X. By challenges, I mean it's been painful. But anyway, that's going to be where we're at for the next few videos. So looking at Vuln server now, I'll be doing things like applying the explain instruction. That's going to be interesting. So we'll go through each one of these and let's see what explain instruction says. For instance, come on, there you go. So and that's what I like about this. There's actually a site this is all pulling stuff from, but we're gonna, as we go along, we'll be messing with the different extensions and seeing what the tool can do on an actual working binary. Anyway, this one's going to be a little short as I'm in the middle of updating Binary Ninja on my host and doing some patching in my Windows box. Then I just happened to rebuild this recently, so I don't have Binary Ninja on this one running yet, but I'll get that up and running shortly. All right, anyway, I'm going to cut this one short once again, and more videos to come. In the meantime, cheers.